Here's how to prevent ice dams from damaging your home using a roof rake. You might be wondering why anyone would live at a place where you have to rake snow off the roof. Well, here in New England and any place that gets a significant amount of snow, it's important to remove some of the snow to prevent destructive ice dams. Ice dams are caused when you have a blanket of snow on the roof and the underside of the snow where it meets the roof starts to melt and water runs down under the blanket of snow. What happens is, because the roof extends past the sidewall, it hits a really cold part of the roof and it freezes. And then the ice builds up and forms a thick ridge in the gutters, or a dam, they call it an ice dam. Then when water continues to flow down the roof, it doesn't have any place to go, so it starts backing up and actually backs up under the shingles. It'll find its way through some seams in the plywood sheathing and drip it to the house and make a real mess. So by removing the snow, you're removing that source of water. So what you want to do is remove the snow, get a roof rake like this and remove maybe from a quarter to a third of the roof. Just remove all that snow as much as you can and you'll greatly reduce the chances of ice dams. All right, I gotta get back to work. Here you go. Snowball. Will, here's the snowball. Go get it. Go get the snowball. Go get it. Go get it. Will loves the snow. Attaboy. Attaboy. All right, go play. I got work to do.